Hi, I'm Michelle Obama, and I am so excited to talk with you today about our National Day of Service. January 19th, the day before the inauguration, is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, a day when we honor a man who lived his life in service to others and showed us what we can accomplish when we stand together. Barack and I will spend the day volunteering right here in Washington, D.C., helping out in the community that we now call home. And we'd like you to join us, and thousands of Americans across the country in this day of service. Please volunteer in your community as part of our Renew America Together initiative. To be a part of the National Day of Service, go to www.usaservice.org, where you can sign up to join or host a service event in your community, and tell your friends to do the same. This is more than just a single day of service. At usaservice.org, you can connect with people and groups in your area and continue serving in your community in the months and years ahead. Join people in every corner of the nation who are making an ongoing commitment to improving our communities and our country. We're about to face some major challenges, and it's going to be up to all of us to renew America together. Inauguration Day is less than 2 weeks away, and you can help us kick off the new administration with a spirit of national unity and shared commitment. Visit usaservice.org today and sign up to serve in your community on January 19th. We look forward to seeing you out there. Thank you.